Hello, my name is AC Clinton, and I am the Marketing Director and Senior Loan Consultant for your home loan partners of Pan American Mortgage, LLC. As with before, thank you. Thank you for allowing us to be your home loan partners as you travel down the road to home ownership. Today, we're going to be talking about the rehab process. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right on in. Once you've located a property that you like and your contract has been accepted, now the process begins for your rehab loan. The first step is going to be ordering the plan review using the HUD-approved consultant. The consultant is an independent third party that provides valuable services throughout the process of planning and completing the improvements you will be making on your home. The services that the HUD consultant will provide are as follows. He's going to provide you and I, the lender, with cost estimates for any required or desired repairs and improvements to your home. He or she will prepare those cost estimates in the form of what we call a work write-up. Now, this work write-up is going to be a detailed description of the labor and material that's used during your renovation. This write-up is going to be given to both the contractor and to the appraiser. He's going to ensure that the house meets the minimum property requirements that have been set by HUD FHA. In addition, the HUD consultant is going to advise on any building codes or permits that are required to ensure that your project meets local ordinance, rules, and regulations. He will also inspect and submit inspection reports to the lender with any supporting documentation to facilitate the release of funds to your contractor for work that the contractor has done. And last but not least, he will perform the final inspection upon the completion of your project. The consultant fees are going to range anywhere between $400 and $1,000 depending on the total rehab cost. For example, the work write-up on a $50,000 repair job will be approximately $750. That money will have to be paid up front. In addition, the inspector comes back out before any draws or any money is dispersed to pay the contractor. He comes out to inspect the property to ensure that the contractor did what he actually said he was doing. In addition, he needs to make sure that the rehab or renovations were done up to standard. This cost is anywhere from $100 to $150 per inspection. Now, you don't have to pay this out of pocket because the cost for the inspections are automatically included inside your rehab budget. Step 2. Once we've gotten the HUD consultant's work write-up, now you need to obtain a contractor's bid from the contractor of your choice. If you don't have a contractor, we can provide a list of contractors for you to explore. The contractor you choose will be required to execute a contractor's agreement with you and provide us with a copy of their insurance and contractor's license. We will order the appraisal. The appraiser will determine the value of the property in its current state and what the property will be valued once the rehab is complete. You can expect to pay anywhere between $400 and $500 for a single family unit and $600 to $800 for a multi-unit property. And once again, this payment is also due up front. Step 3 is going to be sign and update the application and disclosure. So once we've got the work write-up, we have your contractor's bid, and we have your appraisal, we can go ahead and update our application and get that signed along with the disclosures. In addition, we'll be collecting any updated or missing documentation that we need to complete your file. Once we have a complete file, then we're going to go ahead and submit that file over to the underwriter. Now, underwriting takes approximately 7 to 10 days, and at the end of that period, we're going to get what we call a conditional approval. Now, the conditional approval is an approval contingent upon the stipulations that are listed being cleared. So step 5 is to actually clear those conditions. So we're going to work closely with you and any necessary parties in order to obtain whatever information is needed to clear those conditions or stipulations. Once they have been cleared, then the lender will issue us a clear to close. Once we get the clear to close, at that time we will notify all parties that's involved in the transaction, and we'll go ahead and get the closing scheduled. Now, please note that one of the conditions that we know are going to come up is homeowners insurance. We recommend that you contact your current automobile insurer to obtain a quote. The logic being that most insurance companies provide a discount if you have multiple policies with them. Now, in the event you do not have an automobile insurer, or your automobile insurer does not insure homes, we can also request quotes on your behalf and present those to you. Step 6. So after you close on the property, the rehab funds are going to be deposited into an escrow account. In most instances, the contractor will need to start the work initially and get compensated after a percentage of the work has been completed. Now, in some cases, payment can be made or prepared up front for the contractor to begin, but those instances vary. Before funds are dispersed, once again we call that a draw, the HUD consultant must inspect the property. Once he has inspected the property and signed off on it, then the funds are released and you can compensate your contractor for work completed. Now, this process will continue until the project is totally complete. Once the project is complete, welcome home. You are able to move into your property and enjoy your new home. Well, that concludes the rehab process video, and we hope that information has been helpful for you. Should you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to give us a call at 877-588-6956 or email us at loans@yourhomeloanpartners.com and visit our website at www.yourhomeloanpartners.com. Until next time, see ya!